9:01 in the morning, Thursday, October 31st, Halloween day. I'm so used to saying that I'm here on a Wednesday or a Sunday, not any other day of the week. But I have a vacation day from work. See a caterpillar. I don't know if I can zoom in or not. That's a caterpillar. They put fresh caliche there. You know why? Because of the erosion. Way over there was a rabbit. Cottontail. They used to feed them here as well. Despite not having any rain recently, everything's still... Oh, there was another rabbit. Still very green, very lush. It's another caterpillar. Oh, can't really pick him up, but he's right there. There's a lot of gnats. There's also a lot of pill bugs on the ground. Gotta watch where I'm stepping as well. The pill bugs are the roly-polies. Many of them. Look at how high the brush is there. Can't even see the maguey anymore. Same thing here. I'm gonna walk towards the path parallel to the arroyo, and then I'm going to resume video much up ahead, referring to as soon as I turn left right here. So let me cut the video right here.